Welcome to Ceiling Tiles UK, fixing point selection and installation guide for suspended ceilings. The type of fixing will be determined by the ceiling structure. You will use brackets for timber beams, purlin clips for steel purlins, or wire hangers for concrete ceilings. In this example, we are installing on a timber beam structure, so we will use brackets. Fixing points go at 1200mm intervals on main runners only, as per the diagram you created earlier. Brackets are secured with screws. For further instructions, please watch our full suspended ceiling installation guide video. All parts featured in this video are available for purchase at ceilingtilesuk.co.uk. Thanks for watching.